I just filmed my What I Got for Christmas 17, and I'm currently, let's see. I'm currently editing it, as you guys can see. My junk's all on the bed. I decided to, like, I didn't do Vlogmas because, like, I don't know, I actually forgot about it. But I decided to vlog Christmas Day. I thought it would be pretty interesting. My grandpa is currently at the house. We are baking. I think they're baking soup upstairs. But it is, like, snowing so much. Like, I just had to, like, oh my gosh, like, look at all the snow. Like, this is, like, okay, we're gonna go outside. So I have got to show you guys the snow. Like, it is insane. So let's get my shoes on. I'm currently wearing a dress. It's okay, I won't be out there too long. I just got to show you guys. Oh. Okay, I almost fell. Okay, look at the snow. The past like 3 years, I haven't had a really like white Christmas because I recently moved to Michigan, and I wasn't here before, and Michigan gets a lot of snow. Obviously, I was born here, but like we weren't here. But like, look at all the snow. Like, ooh, it is snowing so hard. Like, I don't think the camera's really picking it up, but like, look at this. It is so. And I'm in a dress. Look, there's the rabbits over there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have a coat on now. I'm still in a dress. You know, it's all good. It's okay. Here's the buns. The buns. Caramel. Let's see. Here they are. Oh, they love the snow. The bun. Aww. I'm vlogging. Oh, say hi, Noah. What? I'm vlogging. Hi, Noah.
Why are you vlogging?
Because I'm vlogging Christmas. Now we're in the house. I'm so cold. My cheeks are like so red. This lipstick does not make it any better. There's a tree. Noah? Say hi.
Hi everybody, link everyone.
No.
I made the old Mario.
Oh my gosh, it's so orange.
I made the old Mario.
Got the dress on still. Looks like I have no pants on because this coat's so long and the dress is not long. It's all good.
Yeah, that was.
Oh my gosh, this is my favorite movie, I swear. Pool Express, and I think it's Pool Express, Santa Claus 1, 2, and 3.
Where's that at?
I gotta get a picture of the cupcakes. I'm vlogging. Where are they? Oh, there they are.
Okay. It's Cat Mario. I did it for Christmas.
One at a time. He's
I'm vlogging.
not speaking, you can speak.
I thought a Christmas thing would be okay.
Okay. All right, Lisa.
As you just seen, she made cupcakes for Christmas, and oh, here's the snowman. I made all those. My brother was saying he couldn't make one, so I started the third one, and yeah, they didn't finish it. So
gonna take
That's
an hour.
good.
It's gonna take an hour editing.
Actually, it won't since I have a laptop. This will be quick.
Wait, are you recording?
Yeah.
How did you say that?
He likes his new jacket.
Accumulate. What?
Haha.
Look at